up now, Sarah. What time is it? It's almost 8 o'clock. Don't you forget that you have an organ rehearsal at 8:30 this morning? Oh my God, I have to be on time. Hurry up, or you will miss the slot to rehearse your performance. I have to go now, Mom. When will your performance begin? It starts at 3:30 p.m., Mom. Goodbye. Am I late? Not really. Your rehearsal will start in about 10 minutes. Be prepared. All right, I'm ready. Okay, Sarah, let's go. Beautiful, Sarah. I think you will perform very well this afternoon. Really? Thank you. I feel a little bit worried. Come on, relax. Everything will be all right. Do you think I should rehearse one more time? Sure, practice makes perfect. I think it's enough for practicing. Anyway, what's the time? It's approximately 10 o'clock. What should we do now? I think we should not go home, because the performance starts at 3:30 in the afternoon. But it would be better to be here before 3:30 p.m. in order to make up and change our clothes. All right, so we'd better go to the canteen for lunch now? Sure. Will Tom see your performance this afternoon? I'm not so sure about that. Let me call him. Hello, Tom. Are you free this afternoon?
Hi, Sarah. Your performance starts at 3:30 p.m., right? Let me see. I can't tell you exactly what time I will arrive, but I think I can go.
Hope to see you soon.
I have to go now. Goodbye, Sarah.
Goodbye, Tom. I think he will come to see it. That's good. And do you know what time the hall opens for visitors? Well, the school hall will open 30 minutes before showtime, so don't worry. Good to hear that. Do you think I'm going to make a mistake, Lucy? No. You can do it. Trust me, okay? Okay.
Next is the organ performance named River Flows in You from Sarah Harrington.
Hello, everyone. Today I will perform with my organ the song named River Flows in You. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm so proud of you, my daughter. She's really amazing, Miss Harrington. I believe she can finish this performance smooth. Me too.
I didn't think it was so late. How long have you been waiting?
Actually, she's just started her performance. Don't worry, we have plenty of time.
All right. Hello, Miss Harrington.
Hello, Tom.
Hey, my watch is slow. Can you tell me the time, Lucy?
Sure. It's 4:30 p.m. now.
Wow, time went by so fast. She's just finished.
I appreciate that you guys have spent time for this event. Thank you again. Jesus, it's time I have to leave. I have to pick my baby at 4:30 p.m.
See you again, Miss Harrington.
See you again, Miss Harrington. job, Sarah. Your performance was awesome.
I think I made a small mistake, but that's okay.
Now, what should we do to kill time? It's so early, and I'm free this afternoon.
Me too. How about you, Sarah?
Well, my extra math class starts at 7 p.m. this evening. So, maybe I still have time to go with you guys. Should we go to karaoke now for relaxing?
Well, the karaoke opens quite late at night, around 8 p.m. But I have the math class, so I think I can't join.
Any suggestions, Tom?
I remember. There will be a 50% discount at KFC in rush hour, which means at around 5 p.m., 6 p.m. today. Do you guys fancy eating KFC now?
That would be great.
Yeah, I totally agree. Anyway, it takes us 15 minutes to go to KFC. We have to go now.
Yes, I think it's going to take more time because 5 to 6 is rush hour.
Let's go.
Let's go. Can't believe my eyes. There are so many people at KFC today.
Yeah, 'cause it has a 50% discount event, right? Do you know what time it is?
It's 4:50 p.m. now.
Okay, thank you very much. I think it's late. He seems to be in a hurry.
Let's get in and enjoy the meal.
Guys, it's almost time to go home. Alright, at least we had fun today.
You're right. Goodbye, Mom. I have to go to the extra math class now. Oh, I forgot to remind you. Your teacher has just called me. The class will take a day off today as she is sick at the moment.
Oh, really? Alright.
By the way, your performance was amazing today, Sarah.
I'm so proud of you. Thank you, Mom. I just tried my best.
And your homeroom teacher also texted me a message about your school trip next weekend. Would you please open the file she's just sent me and read out loud for me the date and the time?
Sure, Mom. Let me take the phone.
Alright, the school trip to ABC Zoo will start early in the morning on Sunday. Every student needs to be at school before 8:30 a.m. Alright, I will prepare the lunch for you to take away.
Thanks, Mom.
Do you want me to read the whole schedule for you? Yes, please read out loud. The school bus will stop at the zoo entrance at 9:30 a.m. We can visit the school in a group of 4 people. We will be provided a map to go to each specific area of the animals. And there will be a dolphin performance around 10 a.m. Moreover, we will have to prepare the lunch ourselves. But we have to gather at the cafeteria at 11:15. In the afternoon, we can watch the circus performance organized by the zoo. When will the performance start? This file says it will open for visitors between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. So, when will the trip end? Well, we will go back to school at 4:30 in the afternoon. Can you go to school and pick me up at that time? Sure, no problem. Thanks, Mom.
Don't forget to give us a like. Thank you and see you again.